What's poppin', my big backs? Today, guess what we trying? It's long overdue. Like, y'all should already know about this. I'm just now getting to the program. You feel me? So, we about to try, you feel me? You see, bro, this shit big and full. You see my head? Anyways, you got the sour cream. And you got the vinaigrette, you feel me? And then I got my chips on the side. My chips. So we about to see how this mug tastes, you feel me? Give me 1 second. I'm about to pour the vinaigrette and the sour cream real quick. Alright, that's enough. And then I'm gonna shake it up. This thing messy a little bit. Oh, shit. Give me a second. Alright, y'all, I'm back. I mixed it as best as I could. Now we about to give it a try. This thing is big, yo. Like, I had to double wrap with my cheetah. Y'all see it, yo. This thing big, bro. Let's try. Yeah, this thing good. Then put the sauce on top. Then add the same. Gotta go try. Gotta go try, y'all. For sure.